between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Meshoppen, Auburn Center and Elk Lake. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania.
Well then, flash flood warning.